Invasion, the unboxing's being invaded. What's up, everybody? Had some new intro there, I guess. I wish the camera was up a little bit more, but that was what was that? Was the UDI UFO there. So more unboxings here, and I don't need to say anything else. I don't think. So let's see what's in this one. So these are looking like some motors, some Black Widows. I think we've been waiting for these ones here for a little while. These are ZTW Black Widows. These are, what are these? 23, they're 2204s, and let's see. How am I blind? Oh, it's right here. So these have built-in ESCs. Oh my lord, they're pretty. Oh, I know. We're all a little, we all started drooling just a tad here. Come on, camera. There we go. Yeah, these have built-in 18 amp ESCs, and they're built right into the motors themselves. And you can take everything apart, and everything's replaceable, right?
It is.
Yeah.
An ESC replacement part. It just fits underneath the motor.
And so these are 2300 kVs. These are beautiful. These are going on a custom build. If any of you guys want a custom build with some beautiful Black Widow motors, which we're excited to test too, because these might be something that we'll just keep in stock for future builds. We have a bunch of high-end motors, and well, whatever high-end is anymore. A bunch of different motors though that we're gonna have testing and then building with. And these are one of the, well, actually these aren't even close to being the first set that came in, but these are the first set to come in that have built-in ESCs. But I mean, imagine how clean the build's gonna be. It's gonna have a sleeve on there. You ain't gonna see anything else. The build's gonna be pretty. Black Widows. Well, awesome. Now I'm excited to open the rest of them. All the other packages we have lying around here at the shop. So alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are interested in custom builds, go to the website www.forwardflight.com and hit us up on the email link, and we'll talk. Alright guys, thanks.